All right, guys, I'm super stoked. Inside this box is a black Chromexcel Horsehide Vanson C2 Collab jacket for the Dudsbydel shop. I cannot wait to get inside this box. So I just want to say very briefly, if you like biker jackets, if you like black biker jackets, if you like black biker jackets in Horsehide, that's gonna Teacore and look amazing and stand up to the rain and develop well over time and do everything that someone that's into leather jackets probably wants. Maybe what's inside this box is also for you. Let's see what's in there. Let us get to work very carefully. You know, sometimes I even use just the reverse of the blade to start this because I do not want to score the leather at all. I'm like kind of nervous, guys. I'm really excited about this jacket. And some people have asked why I did not start with black. And you know, I don't have a good answer for them except for that cognac just stood out so much to me. And I thought, you know, if it stands out to me, maybe it'll catch other people's eyes too. But black has always been in the plan, and it's just taken longer than I would have liked to get here. All right, tape, let's see what you are working with. Again, being really careful, I do not want to strike this jacket. Let's get this side a little. Open sesame. All right, that's one side. We will remove this papers. Oof. Oh my God. Oh, it's heavy. All right. Oh my God. Put this knife away. Thanks, Demco. Alrighty. Oh, the density, the luster. Something that you might notice here. Instead of the standard brass hardware, we went with the chrome zips and other hardware. All right, let us get this lining off. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, this is beautiful. Might need to move the camera up a little bit so we can see the whole jacket. Come on up, you. Oh my God. Just look at it. Are you looking at it? Look at the sheen. Oh, what a different experience from the Badelassi. And wow, I'm kind of taken aback, y'all. It's super badass, and I don't know what else to say other than it looks incredible. I'm gonna put it on in a minute. Some other things to note: the Collab C2. If you're not familiar, it has no. There's a stitch that goes down here in the middle that joins two panels on the standard C2. Collab C2 is one big broad back, and the sleeves are a little shorter than the standard C2 because the standard C2 is made in Vanson's bike riding position style, and I find it long for casual use. And we have a different lining. Let's open it up. Just look at one thing that's really cool about this jacket and this hide is all of the accent stuff. You can see the Teacore. So they've made this tag, which has like the ID number for the jacket from Vanson in the hide, which is cool. And you can see on the side of it, the brown core. You can also see that here on the belt and inside the sleeve zips. On the edges. So lots of little spots where we get a little preview of things to come, so to speak. All right, let's open this jacket up. Gosh, it is a beauty. These are Vanson branded YKK zips. I will say this lining is the same material. There's some kind of funny business, and I'm kind of curious about your input on this. I only had enough of this particular lining to do one jacket. So I was planning to do that same hex, but in red as the other C2s. I'll put a picture here and of it. But this also looks really good. So I don't know, I like them both. This is a 5.37 ounce cotton lining, and then the Vanson standard rayon lining here in the sleeves. It has the snaps for the streamliner, if you so desire, which is the lining that they sell separately. All right, guys, I don't think I can wait any longer. Let's put this jacket on and see what the first fit looks like. All right, so if you're not familiar, I'm 5'9", 175 pounds. I have a 40-inch chest, and 40 is my standard size, although in the C2, it runs big, and I get a 38 for what I consider to be a standard trim fit. A fit you can wear a t-shirt like this, but do some light layering as well. Let's put this bad boy on. Hoo-yah. OMG. It is definitely more robust feeling than the Badelassi hide, which has a stiffness to it, but I can feel it already, just putting it in my arms and the sleeves. Snap, please. Help these collars train themselves. I don't keep them snapped all the time, but when I'm first putting it on, it helps. All right. And then this front part here on the lapels will kind of break itself in and assume the position, so to speak. Let's zip it up. I already did. All right. So get in close so you can kind of see the sheen on this jacket, the beauty of it on. And I'm gonna move my, where could this little guy go? Kind of maybe here. There. I think that'll do. Look at the, it's kind of got this shiny matte situation going on. There, this jacket is just really a black blank canvas. Just ready to get going, you know? Okay, this is the reverse view. Let's zip it up. Oh my God. This can come off. Oh man. This jacket really deserves. There we go. Okay. This jacket really deserves a break-in, and I'll be honest, I'm gonna be wearing it a lot. I'm gonna be wearing this jacket every day. I'm gonna be posting a lot about it. I think people need to see what to expect from this heavy duty hide if they're not familiar with it, and to see how this jacket will develop. So today is May 7th. We got 30 days from May 7th to wear this jacket, and we're gonna see what it's like. It's a heavy leather, okay? Chromexcel Horsehide is kind of famously stiff and difficult. And I had a really beautiful Aero Premier Highwayman in their front quarter Chromexcel Horsehide in black that I loved, but it was too trim on me. So it's really wonderful to have another Chromexcel Horsehide jacket in black that is not too trim. And that is one of the big advantages that I really like about Vanson, is that since they are really focused on ergonomics, you can get a jacket in this kind of heavy leather, and it's comfortable right out the box. It is already. I don't feel like the jacket is killing me to wear it, but it's just gonna get better with a break-in. So I'm really looking forward to that and these next 30 days of wear. I am gonna zip this jacket all the way up in a second. Got to figure out what to do with the mic while I do that. That's the partial zip look. Okay. All right, y'all. Incredible jacket. Who knew? Vanson knew. I knew, but I couldn't wait to really experience. And now you know. All right, so that's it for this right out of the box. Cool jacket. Pre-orders live on the site, so if you're interested, I'd get on it. And if you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully this pre-order period will just last about a month or so, maybe 2 months, depending on how things are going. And we'll be getting these jackets out, hopefully, so you can enjoy them for that cool weather coming up. Have a good one.